Hi there and welcome to today's summer Walmart try-on haul, and the new pieces that Walmart has recently come out with are so good. In today's video I have a good range of like shoes, shorts, tops, dresses, items that are going to be really good staple pieces that you actually can style multiple different ways so you can get the best use of your money. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all of the best new Walmart finds, make sure to hit the subscribe button. But over on Instagram, I do share restock alerts, deal alerts, and just any new item that Walmart comes out with. Like always, I will have all of the complete outfits and links linked down below in the description box. You just will tap on the title of this video and it'll bring up an entire list of all the links that I've shared. We have a lot of really cute items to get through. Let's go ahead and get started. I have kind of been obsessed with this outfit. So this is just like the perfect cool outfit that looks really cute but is very comfortable. We'll start off with this bodysuit. So this bodysuit is adorable. I love the flirty kind of sweetheart neckline that it has. It has this little bow here on the front with a nice cinch. It is the softest material ever. It literally just feels like that really soft Abercrombie material and those super soft tees. And now I am wearing a nursing bra with it, but I think just wearing a normal bra would be fine, or you could just wear like a strapless one. Just shows a little bit in the back, but these are, I really like the thick straps on this. Then you can wear whatever bra you want with it pretty much. This is currently on deal for $12, but comes in a few other color options. I just thought this pink would go super well as just like a pop of color. And I did size up to a medium. I am just under 5'9" and I'd like to have enough length, and I feel like this fits really great. It does have a snap button closure, so as you can see, like, it is a true bodysuit, but I have plenty of room. It's probably one of my favorite bodysuits I've picked up recently. And then I love it paired with these linen shorts. So I think you're all definitely going to want to snag these linen shorts. They're a blend of linen and rayon material, and they kind of have that skirt look. So it looks like a skirt, but it's actually shorts, which that is the best. You can literally do anything in these, and they kind of combine more of a sporty and a chic look. So I just have it more feminine with the kind of feminine bodysuit, but you definitely could just throw on a t-shirt with this and some sneakers for more of a casual look. I feel like this is total designer looks. And this is like $20 from the Scoop brand. The quality feels really amazing. Now, if you are really petite, you could size down one. I did go with my true to size small, and I love the fit of it. Like, I'm obsessed with these shorts. And then to finish off the look, I paired it with these adorable braided square toe sandals. Again, these are the braided sandals are really trendy this year, and these definitely have designer looks for less. They're right around $15. They do run true to size, and they come in a bunch of color options. I have worn these on repeat. I wore them when I was pregnant. They were really comfortable. I cannot recommend these sandals enough. Next outfit is another classic summer staple that's easy to throw on. So first of all, starting off with this little tank top, I feel like this is so unique and fun. I love the feminine details of the little slit, and then it actually is an adjustable tie, so you can keep it a little bit looser, or you can tighten it kind of depending on your chest size. So I like that versatility. Again, I like the thick strap, so you really can wear whatever bra you want with it. And the material is really nice on this. It's super soft. The blend is a cotton and recycled polyester. And if I zoom in here, you can kind of see it kind of has a French terry look to it, but it's softer than what a French terry is. And here you can just see a little bit of a better detail on the ruffle top. I think that is just so cute. And then this top does come in 3 other gorgeous summer color options, but I am wearing the white and it's not see-through at all. You can't see through like the top of my jeans either. It's just a really great top, and it's $14. And I just went ahead and paired it with this really cute summer bag. This is actually off of Amazon, but I felt like it really complemented the look. And then I'll go ahead and share this little headband as well. It's a floral headband that I feel like is just that little bit of pop of color that this outfit needs. And I just love adding little accessories with more simple outfits like this. let's talk about these shorts. Oh my word, if you need any affordable, good quality denim shorts, these are it. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I love the Sofia Vergara line, and these are actually her shorty shorts in her line. So they have a little bit of distressing on them, as you can see. No actual holes, just a little bit of a distressing. I would say it's like a medium high rise. It is a zip and button, which you know is my favorite. I don't know, I just don't like when it's an all button fly. I just feel like they're so hard to go to the bathroom quickly in, but these are so flattering. Definitely remind me of higher end brands, which is just always a win, because this was literally like $25 and most good denim shorts are like $50 plus. It is more of a medium wash and they do run true to size. I got my normal size 2. Sometimes I'll size up to a 4, but with this brand, just going with my normal jean size, typically it does the trick. And the shorts are the perfect length. They're a 3.5 inch seam, which around 3 inches is my favorite length for shorts. And then these little sandals are a gem. I love the tie twist. Again, these are a designer look for less for $25. Sam & Libby is a newer shoe brand that I recently discovered, and everything that I've tried has been so comfortable and really great quality. So I feel like the square toe totally elevates this sandal, and then the actual strap is so comfortable. It doesn't rub at my feet at all, and I tend to have bony feet, and so sandals will oftentimes bother me, and these don't at all. This sandal does run true to size. So you also could style the white top with the linen shorts. I think this is such a classy look. You look super, super elevated, and this outfit is so affordable, like $14, and I think these are $22. And then for a little accessory, I did throw in a black headband that has like some white florals in it, so it all just like really complements each other. It doesn't feel bunchy at all in here. It just like, with the stretchy waistband, it kind of just helps everything look very fitted. But again, you look super cute and put together, but you're extremely comfortable. And I just threw it on with some studded sandals just for a little bit of a dressier look. I like the studs on this. It kind of elevates it. These shorts, I don't know if I shared, they do come in another really fun color option, and I love these so much that I kind of want to grab those as well. Okay, these shorts I definitely did not expect to love as much as I have. They are the softest material. It's like a cotton, polyester, and spandex blend. So they kind of have that athletic athleisure fit, but oh my word, they are so soft and kind of have two-tone texture. So one's like really soft, and then this side has some ribbing on it. And I love seriously everything about them. I love that they're high-waisted. They have pockets, they have an adjustable drawstring, but they're also nice and stretchy, so you can really just throw them on and not worry about anything. Now, if you're not into this yellow, they do have other color options. It actually comes in a set, which is really, really cute. I will have it linked like in a little picture here, and also down below if you're interested in the entire set. I just went ahead and threw on a white tank top with it, because this is kind of how I would style it in the warmer months. Really cute and flattering. I feel like everything about these shorts are so flattering. The length is perfect. Wanted to chat about these shoes. These are such a good golden goose look for less, also from Walmart. Really comfortable. My suggestion would be is just size up one, especially if you're in between sizes. I do find that they run a little bit on the smaller side, but I've had them for like almost a year now, and they've held up really well, super comfortable, and just such a good look for less for the golden goose ones. And then just to kind of complete the athleisure look, I did go ahead and throw on a Adidas crossbody bag. You also could do like the Lululemon belt bag. That would be super cute. I'm all about this next look. Like, I'm ready for a vacation, but this dress is just one of those carefree dresses you can easily throw on, but it definitely is a cute dress that kind of makes a statement. I like the different pattern stripes on it. So some go down, some go horizontal, and it is a spaghetti strap. So you either want to wear stickies or a strapless bra with this. I have on a nursing bra, so I definitely wouldn't recommend a nursing bra, but I did size up to a medium, and I think I should have just went with my true to size small. So if you are in between sizes or you're not sure, I would just go with your true to size or smaller size. And it does come in a few color options. I like the fabric on this. It's very nice and lightweight. It's a cotton and rayon material, but I don't feel like it makes me hot at all. It is 26.5 inches in length, and I feel like that is the perfect length on me. I went ahead and styled it with this little sun beach hat. This is my favorite sun hat. So if you're actually looking for pieces for a vacation, this would be a really cute look. And then I like this bag because you definitely can wear this casually or it can be used on vacation. It's just like the perfect little summer bag. And then I went ahead and threw on the white slide sandals from the brand Sam & Libby. This elevates it a lot, really complements the white in the dress. Another option for this dress is to definitely use it as a cover up. As far as the jewelry that I'm wearing, I will have linked below. I really like these rattan earrings for summer. They're super lightweight. I forget that I have earrings in. This actually is a little set. It has the initial on it. It actually comes with another little one. I just didn't put that on today, but this is also from Amazon, like $12. And then this is a stack bracelet that I always wear in the summer, also from Amazon. I saw this eyelet detail tank top just launched and I was like, that is stunning. This is a piece that you could easily style casual, but then also wear for work because I just feel like it's very modest, it's very feminine. So it does feature a square neckline and then has this stunning eyelet detail here, like ruffle on the sleeve, which I think is super pretty. It goes down the front. It is a linen and cotton blend, so really nice and breathable for summer. Comes in 2 other color options and it is available in sizes extra small up to 3XL, and I am wearing my true to size small. I want to snag this in the baby pink because I feel like it's just such a good top, and I love a peplum style top in the summer. Now obviously you could style it with shorts. If it's really hot, you definitely could style this with shorts, but I wanted to style it with my favorite skinny jeans because I felt like this kind of dressed it up with the white shoes out for a date night or something. These are the best jeans. I have 2 favorite pair of jeans from Walmart. This is the one that I discovered a year ago. I've worn them so much. They hold up really, really well, really nice and flattering. Love these light wash for summer as well. I did go with my true to size 2. I would say if you're in between sizes to size up 1, but I love this light distressing on the knees as well. Like I said, I've had these for like over a year and they have not busted through, which is great. They do run like a 7/8 length on me just because I am 5'9" and my height is in my legs, but like I said, they wash really well. I think it's a 27-inch inseam too. And then I completed the look with the white slide Sam & Libby sandals, and I feel like the style of them with this look really elevates it. And then I just threw on this quilted crossbody bag. You also can wear it on the corner of your arm, but the gold chain just really kind of gives it a little bit of something extra, gives a little bit of spice, and it's a really nice structured bag too. I grabbed for this a ton. Alright, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you like the videos from Walmart and want to see more. And make sure to hit that subscribe button just to always get notified of all the new Walmart content. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.